Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine the word count in your Google Doc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then you want to go and select where it says Word Count. At this point, it'll give you a breakdown of how many pages are on your document, how many words, characters, and characters excluding spaces are included on that document. And you can also display word count while typing by checkmarking that box in there and selecting OK. And then at this point, a little word box will appear down at the bottom left corner. So kind of a neat feature there if you want to have that display. Otherwise, you can select hide word count if you get tired of looking at that after a while. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.